to our episode 4, our talking avatar. And I don't know how it looks, but let's see what it looks like. Then you could test it on your own platforms and see what works for you. So today we're looking at creating video content with avatars, creating video content with your avatar. And it's important to know that not everybody like this camera thing, and some people want to, okay, it looks good. Some people want to actually use avatars rather than their videos in faces, and sometimes there are some content you just want to be focused on certain areas and you don't want to be coming on camera, right? So you just look for a way of getting it out there, and instead of just sharing just the voice or just the text, you want something to be represented there as your avatar. And it's a cool thing to have tools available to do that, right? So today we're going to be looking at ways we can, or a way we can use CapCut to generate AI avatars or AI characters. And it appeals to any kind of content, whether educational content, religious content, social content, or just inspirational content. Whatever content you're creating, you can actually use avatars to work on it, and it's very beautiful thing to see. I've been using it for some time now. I've been using, and I think it's cool. It works for your phone, but it depends on the version of CapCut you have. But this will be looking at the web version. We'll be looking at the web version for this avatar. If you're online, you can just say hi. If you're online, just you can just say hi. So quickly, I'll share my screen so that you get to see what it looks like. Okay, okay. So we'll be looking at using CapCut for our avatar. So this is capcut.com. So you just go to the online version of CapCut, capcut.com, and let's get started. Now what I'm going to do is I just have this story here, this text here, right? This story on Notepad. I just copy it and I'll use it later on for my avatar, right? So I want an avatar to tell this story and I can share it as an online content. So quickly you go to once you capcut.com, that's the website, capcut.com. Capcut. No, Capcut is an video editor that you can use for free. It you can download it for Android, you can also download it for your desktop. There's the pro version too that you subscribe to, but for the free version you have almost everything except maybe this avatar, character avatar, which is available on free for capcut.com for the web version. So you go to your Google Chrome, type in capcut.com, and it brings you here. You can see other content you can use it for your adverts, product adverts, service adverts, template. There are thousands or hundreds of templates you can just use on. And good thing is that it even gives you product URL ads, long video to shorts, script to video, and this different AI tools that you can make use of. So once you're done, you just go to create new canvas. Once it's there, your mouse shows you this video image magic tools. The magic tools are the AI tools, right? For image upscaling, AI and all that. But we just focus on, maybe we want a video of one by one that is suitable for Instagram. And also thank you, Mr. Akin Benjamin, for joining the webinar. Thank you. Welcome. So quickly, it's loading up, it's loading up, it's loading up. Okay, good. An important thing to note that there are templates you can work with. There are background templates you can work with. And like you know, since it's online, it's going to work with internet. So let's say we want an element, maybe a photo element as a background, right? Okay, I'll just pick this photo element. Once I click on it, it comes here, right? Maybe okay. Okay, let's just pick this. I think I like this other one here. Uh, Let me see how it works. Okay, so I'll just delete the ones I don't want. Okay, this I can just press my delete button. This I can press my delete. Since it's an image, you can stretch the time. You can stretch the time here. Since it's an image, you can actually stretch the time here. Okay. Okay. So this is a good statue of Buddha, and maybe we want our character to be telling the story here. So then you have this AI character everywhere here. So what you simply do is click on the text box there, right? And click on add body text. Add body text. It comes here and I just paste that text I copied earlier. Okay. Now you see it's spread everywhere. You can just go to basic here and just enter to get your text broken down so that it can be, or better still, oh, this will take more time anyway. Better still, you can just drag it here, right? You can just drag the text gradually. Okay. You can drag it from the side so that you just reduce the font. Quickly. Okay. So this is the text, the story that's going to be read out by the avatar, right? This is the text or the story that's going to be read out by the avatar, right? So I'm just trying to manage the spacing. Okay, so once that is done, I might not spend more time doing that anyway. Let's see. I'm just trying to reduce the size so that it fills up the screen. At some other points, we're going to delete it. We're going to delete it. Okay. Okay. We're going to delete the text at some other point. So what I simply do is go to, you can see on the right hand side AI characters. It's still also available down somewhere there. Caption, transcript, and all that. But we just go straight to AI characters. So it's going to load up the different characters, male, female, young boy, young girl, white, black, different races, and all that. This particular, okay, let me use uh, this lady as I think a female voice would be good for that story. You click on, so it's going to load up the different characters. So you just pick on the one you want. So I'll just pick on Mia dress 2. She looks cool anyway. So this is a way you can create content without actually using your face on camera, right? So that's the idea. Creating content without using your face on camera. You can actually make quality content, tell stories. You can even use it for educational videos for children, right? So you might just want to create a persona for children's stories or students assignment that it helps them read it out and all that. So quickly, it's loading the speech and it's loading the character. So it takes a little bit, some few minutes or thereabout to load. That's going to convert all the text I just pasted there into speech or audio while the character reads it out. So just see what comes up. Now, while it's doing that, we can just explore the other features on CapCut. Uh, I'll just talk about that. You have audio, you have caption, meaning it can auto caption your video. So if you have created a video without text on the video, there's not auto caption or there's no subtitle on that video, you can upload it to this version of CapCut. I think it also works for the mobile version, and you auto caption it and it will create uh, subtitle for your video, which people can follow through when they're watching your video, right? People can, your subscribers can be reading while they are actually watching your video. So that makes subtitling easy. So rather than start typing your words or watching the video gradually by yourself or manually typing the letters in your video, you can make it possible. CapCut makes it possible for auto transcription, which in turn you can edit any part of the text. Maybe some words that were not properly pronounced can be edited and corrected or changed. Let's see, it's still loading. Okay, okay. Maybe I should just use a shorter text to uh, hasten everything up, because it seems it's going to take time loading the entire script or converting the entire script to speech. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, what I simply do is go back to the main text, just pick some words there, right? Just pick some words there, copy it just for demonstration sake, so that we don't spend time waiting for it to generate. Okay, uh, quickly I'll just quickly join it up. Okay, yes. So I go to my AI character and just go back to Mia. Yeah, really cool AI characters here that works for you. Okay, this should be a bit fast. Quickly. Okay, this should be fast. So this version of CapCut online or web version actually have some pro features which you can work with. Great. So this is the text. Let's see what it looks like, or listen. Still applying the character, right? It's still applying the character here. 72%, okay? Still applying the words to the character so that it becomes, I'll just put this at the corner here. Isn't she pretty? Yes, she's a pretty character. with a sitting position, right? So it's, you can use it for your news broadcasting or AI news and all that. Very cool sitting position. So let's look at what it is.
Once upon a time, a clever tortoise named Toby lived in a bustling city in Nate.
Okay, it's a bit cracking. I should think that's the internet. You know, we had the internet issues, or we've been having internet issues nationwide. Now, you don't want this text, so all you just simply do is delete it. Press the delete key, and it's gone. Now, you can stretch the picture to cover the rest of the video, right? Okay, so it's just few seconds video. And what else? You can click on half body for the video, or a close up, or a circle frame. Let's say we want full body, right? You can change the voice: emphatic female, peaceful female, different story. You can, okay, let's say storyteller male, female, storyteller female. Let's see, uh, storyteller female. Let's see. Okay, okay. Let me see the charming female. Okay.
Once upon a time, a clever tortoise named Toby lived in a bustling city.
Okay. I guess that might take forever again to rend, but make sure you have good internet connection to rend the video or to rend the speech. And funny enough, it could be very fast when you're working on your phone. It could be very fast when it's on phone or a separate desktop app. Okay, that's almost done. So it's applying the words to the character, and that's our final stage. That's our final stage. Okay, let me, almost done.